After weeks of silence, the DJI Mini 5 Pro has finally surfaced, and not through an official announcement, but via a surprising leak. A printing office employee accidentally revealed a misprinted box design, and now the drone world is buzzing. This box confirms several long-rumored features of the DJI Mini 5 Pro, and we've even got a detailed render shared by Drone Hacks from a public Discord server. Let's break down everything we've learned from this leak, starting with the box itself. Package DJI Mini 5 Pro box leak, key features confirmed. Ultralight and foldable design. One image sensor with 4K per 120 frames per second video capability. True vertical shooting and 225 degrees gimbal rotation. High-quality 48mm med-tele mode. Nightscape omnidirectional obstacle sensing with forward-facing LiDAR. ActiveTrack for sports and motion capture. 36-minute flight time. This misprint confirms nearly every major upgrade we've speculated about: the larger sensor, LiDAR integration, and its evolution from the DJI Mavic 4. It's expected to run on the O4 platform and be sold in Fly More combo packages with the DJI RC2 and RC-N3 controllers. Brain, is the leak legit? In a world full of AI-generated fakes, this printing error feels refreshingly real. The offset printer likely printed two box types, one for the RC2 combo and one for the RC-N3, and during the plate swap, a misprint occurred. That's how this image got out, and based on the design and details, it's highly likely to be authentic. Camera with flash. DJI Mini 5 Pro spotted in the wild. On June 20th, the Mini 5 Pro was seen in its final form with a tester in a public park. While the one sensor and LiDAR are confirmed, one detail is missing: the A under 249 GB label. This could mean the Mini 5 Pro is heavier due to upgraded motors and battery. However, rumors suggest DJI may offer two battery options, one lighter for recreational flyers and one larger for extended performance. Calendar launch date and availability. Originally expected in early August, the DJI Mini 5 Pro's release has been pushed to September 2025, alongside the DJI Neo 2. The Neo 2 was recently spotted in FCC filings, showing a battery upgrade from 1,435 mAh to 1,606 mAh. United States. DJI's US shipping woes. If you're in the US, you've probably noticed the DJI Mavic 4 and Osmo 360 are currently unavailable. Sources suggest DJI may be pulling back from the US market entirely. If you find a pre-shipped model online, grab it while you can. We're also still waiting on the DJI Mic 3 and Osmo Nano, which were supposed to launch with the Osmo 360. Stay tuned, I'll keep you updated as soon as more info drops.